Oh no, the fans turned on us because we were woken. Woken, what's that mean? It means you get woke, you get broke, or is it woke, broke, got no something? Oh, never mind. Enix, what's going on? The fans are mad. They're fucking mad at us. They'll never come back to see the movie. What's it matter? What do you care? Because if I don't make any money, how am I gonna pay for my freaking ice cream at home? What ice cream? The one I have in my hand. I don't have enough left. I cried all fucking night. Did you just cuss in the video? Like we said, don't the fans are getting mad, and then you got other people saying it's gonna be a good movie. Then it's weird. It's because of those people, those negative Nancy's on YouTube. They cry every day because we're too woke. The actress or actors are saying things that are woken, broken. I'm woke, but not broke, baby. You're making a joke out of this, Enix. You don't even care. I cried all fucking night. I lost them fans forever, and I love them all of them. Support the movie. I'm sorry. Anything I said, I didn't mean it. If I hurt your feelings, men can see this movie. Anybody can. I love everybody. You know that. Yeah, we love them all. Everybody. What do you think? Yeah. Of course, I respect the fans because if you don't, they won't go see your stuff. I know. Boy, I'm so sad.